So this is the all-new Superbox S6 Max. So it's had some upgrades done to it. So hopefully it does everything you want it to do, and hopefully it's plug and play basically, but you will have to put some sort of password in for some of the actual software, like the Wi-Fi, things like that. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the features of this box. I'm not going to be able to show you all the features of this box, but I will show you some of the features like parent control, something you might need to know, how to keep your children safe while they're watching, say, a video or TV series. You can actually control, apparently, what they can see. So with that, let's get the unboxing done and see exactly what you get for your money, honey. So Superbox S6 Max, it has 1,000, it looks like 1,000 meters, but it's 1 gigabit or 1,000 megabits Ethernet connection. As Wi-Fi 6, perfect, 4 gigabytes plus 64 gigabytes, so they have 4 built in and 64 gigabytes of memory storage built in as well. Supports 6K, I can't test it on 6K, sorry about that. Over the air, H265, and I think that's it. Let's get it out of the box. It feels quite heavy actually. I'm quite surprised how heavy this actually feels. Oh, it's ran the wrong way. Superbox. I think I've got one of these somewhere actually. Let me get everything out so you can see exactly what you get for your money, honey. So that is everything you get in the box. Now, something to bear in mind, this is for the American market. So it comes with an American connection. So you will have to buy an adapter if you wish to use it somewhere else, like in the UK, like I'm going to be using it for, or testing it on anyway. So remote control, quite a nice one. Basically standard nowadays. It's got everything you need. You can actually control your actual TV as well, but you will have to set that up. Normally the information is down here, which it is, and it's very difficult to see. I'm not kidding you, it is there, but very difficult to actually read. So American connection there for your power, HDMI to HDMI connection, yeah. I probably won't use that. I might do, I might not. Instructions, and the actual unit itself in blue. So it has on the bottom some air vents, some rubber feet to stop it sliding about. It's not that heavy. It felt heavy in the box. It could be because of a couple of things. Obviously what it comes with, and the actual box is very good quality box. So we have a digital display on the front, IR sensor on the front as well. Should be another one on the back, I would have thought. Could be totally wrong, and you are. No, we've got another one there, IR, DC power, 2 aerials. We have AV, I'm taking it as AV out, HDMI in out, network connection, digital audio connection. On one side we have a TF card reader, USB 1, USB 2, and a factory restore. Very good. Air vents on the side, and it's made of metal or tin. Yeah, very good. First impressions, it's a TV box. What do you expect? First impressions, yes, it looks like it's well made. It doesn't look like it's going to break, and there is a little plastic cover over there, I think, but I'm going to leave that on for now. So that is it. Let me set it up and see how easy it is to set up. Now, it does take a few seconds for it to start up, but it has a nice little display when it's starting up, and I thought that looks quite nice. And it's pretty quick. It's not super fast at starting it up, but it's pretty quick. Now, one of the things I recommend you do first is set the clock up. Whether you want a 24-hour clock or a 12-hour clock, I would recommend you do that first before you do anything else, and it's all done. And I've set mine for London Greenwich Mean Time because I'm in England. Yeah, makes sense? Yeah. Now, it does come with some apps, but you will have to download all the apps, whether you go to the Google App Store, you know, say for instance you want, you know, your Netflix, your YouTube, your Apple, whatever, I don't do Apple, so I don't know what you use on Apple. But there are plenty of apps for you to download, whether you do it from the Google App Store or from another app store. There are hundreds out there. But I would recommend you do your own due diligence on what you download, because you have to be careful not to download something you're not allowed to use in your country. And I've blurred out all the apps that I've downloaded because of that reason. They might be an infringement in your country. So I am not showing you any apps. I'm just showing you that I've downloaded loads of apps. So just in case you need to know how much storage you've got, I'm going to show you how to get there. Now you need to go down to the cog. Yeah, there, click on the cog. And you need to go down to device preferences. And you need to go to about. Click on about. It has all your system's information there, your model number and things like that. There's your storage. We have 64 gigabytes on this, and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. Easy enough for you? Can you see that okay? Yes? Right, let's get on with it. So in this part of the video, I am going to show you how time shift works, or give you a basic overview, and also how the parent control works, or how to get to it. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So if you press the I button on the remote, you will get your time shift come up. Channel list, change channel, time shift, channel search, settings. Right, we're going to do time shift, which is basically you do the back arrow, and providing you've got enough time on there, it will go back. See, scrolling back, stop, press OK button, give it a few seconds for it to find it. It does take a little bit of time, not too long, but it does take it a little bit of time, and it should come up any second now. It's not going to work, is it? Yeah, I'm only joking. There you go. So it's a time shift. Yeah, so we've gone back in time. Pause it, or yeah, pause it, go forward again. Press the OK button. Give it a few seconds, as you would expect, and within a few seconds it should start playing again. And don't forget, you can actually change channels as well, just by using these up and down here to change channel. There we go, perfect. Now, parent control. It's a little bit fiddly on this one, don't ask me why, but sometimes it works on the I button, yeah? And you get it up there, there it is there. You've got to go into that setting. Now to get into there, you have 3 little lines down there. So press that while that screen's up. You've got status bar, internet speed, aspect ratio, decode, EPG style, resources, feedback, parent control. Scroll down, press the OK button, enter a numeric password that is exactly 6 digits, and then you confirm it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, when you know how. And then just save it, okay? Just go back if you want to cancel it, job done. Now, should you forget what the password is, you'll have to do a reset. As far as I understand. So don't forget, or don't put a password or number in that you can't remember, or write it down somewhere that the kids can't find. And that is it. That is all you need to know. It's quite easy to do. So press the I button, and then you press the 3 little lines. Make sure you're pointing out the box. Scroll down. Press OK, enter your number, job done. And if you want to come out, just press the back button. Yeah, very easy. What do you think? Easy? So, unfortunately, I can't show you all the other programs that are on here, but there is quite a big choice, and some of them have programs within the program, if that makes sense. Yeah, some of them do. So you could go quite deep into doing different things with this little device. It works extremely well. It's very easy to set up. Hopefully my video helps you to understand how easy it is, and it is, in my opinion, very good. If you're looking for an all-in-one package, whether you're doing YouTube, Netflix, or any other app for TV or anything like that, movies, you should have a nice big choice on there. Obviously, you will have to subscribe to some of them, obviously, but you still get all like the free channels, like your advert channels. They will all be on there as well, and loads of other stuff, even games. I'm not doing any games today, but you can even download games and play games. So with that, if you found this video informative, helpful in any particular way, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, and giving this video, or any of my videos, the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.